This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 4 plus 5. For my sample, I used fingering weight yarn and US size 6 needles, and I cast on 17 stitches. For row 1, you're going to repeat knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, and you're just going to slip it knitwise, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over the knit 2 together, and yarn over. So that's the repeat for row 1. Knit 1, yarn over, slip a stitch knitwise, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over, and yarn over. And you'll end row 1 by knitting the last stitch. For row 2, you just purl all stitches, for row 3, you're going to start by knitting 2 together, yarn over, and then the repeat is knit 1, yarn over, slip the next stitch knitwise, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over your knit 2 together, and yarn over. So you knit 1, yarn over, slip a stitch knitwise, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over, and yarn over. And you will end row 3 with knit 1, yarn over, slip 1 knitwise, knit the last stitch on your needle, and then pass the slipped stitch over. And for row 4, purl all stitches, and you just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.